Hi, this is my submission for the challenge mass insert contact into mailing list. Now, the previous challenge, mass insert contacts into mailing list part 1, I submitted the challenge and I got second, but I have looked at the code and this challenge is referencing my code. So what I did was I basically modified my code to fit the requirements that are listed in this challenge. So there are like 5 requirements that are listed in this challenge, and I'm going to show you all the requirements that are satisfied. So like I'm not a Windows guy, but I'm trying to use Windows, and this is Internet Explorer 11, and the bulk insert members button is over here. So I'm gonna show you on the compatibility mode on the Winter IE 9. So let's see. So I'm changing the document mode to 9, which I assume is IE9, and also the user agent string. I don't know how else to test this one, but this is the only way I was able to test it. Okay, come on. Oh. Okay. I have no idea why it is doing this. I'll choose this. Choose IE9. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I have no idea why it did that. So now this page is in the IE9 mode, right? You can see that I have added the placeholders: email to add 1, email to add 2. Oh God. Okay, email to add 1. I have basically 14 minutes, and email to add 2. You can see that. So you can basically what this is like. This is a placeholder on the text area. So since it doesn't allow you to add like new lines, I have to add like a code to do this. And when you click on insert members without any emails, it shows an error. It doesn't proceed to the summary tab, but it shows an error in this tab itself. So it's the same thing when you try to click on the summary tab. And you can see that I changed the button to insert members versus next. So if yeah, one other thing that I want to show you is so one window is basically open. When you click on that one, it uses the same window, but it refreshes the page. So there is a explanation that is given why this is happening in one of my documents. You can go through it. It's just the way the security is designed on the browsers. So you can, but the requirement is basically not to open multiple windows, but to open only one window or show the window that is already open. So you can click on that one and it shows the window that is already open. So you click on insert members, you can see everything is like the same. There is nothing changed over here, so it has like, it says that it's duplicate contacts and invalid emails. So let's see. So there is already a mailing list members present, so that's why it's showing it as like duplicate contacts. And I change this one to add more emails, and you click on done, it closes the window. So you click on add more emails, it goes back over here, and you can add more emails to this one. Let's see. So it immediately shows everything, like the duplicate contacts, emails and all. And when you click on done, it closes the window. So that's basically it. So those were like the requirements of the challenge. And also like now I changed the code. So there was a issue with the SOQL query. So where I'm using the aggregation to get the mailing list members from the parent. So now I split the code to a separate query. So now we are not going to get that issue where if you have more than like 5,000 records in the children, the aggregation fails because we are not aggregating children on the parent. We are doing it in a different SOQL query. You are fine there, so you can retrieve up to 10,000, 50,000 records on a read-only mode, or 10,000 records on a normal mode. So that's basically it. I hope you like my submission, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you. Bye bye.